why did you go and choose a simple Python library when we know that the robotics world is heading toward using ROS or other toolkits for developing robots?
I mean, ROS, it is a super capable software. It does a lot. But I feel like with the advances in AI, neural networks, in the end-to-end, we had the possibility to start from scratch with a middleware that would be even simpler, won't be as powerful, like won't be able to do all the stuff that ROS is doing, but at least to focus on one, which is end-to-end, doing teleoperation, controlling the robots, like being able to send goal position to the motor. So, it's really narrow. To do it with a very simple code in Python, because most of the people right now in AI, they use Python.
Yeah.
They don't use C++. Mm-hmm. And we wanted to lower the barrier to entry for all those people to be able to come to robotics, which is the next frontier to AI.